welcome back to my channel. Sorry for not posting long, but today I'm going to draw some fidget toys, popular fidget toys, like infinity cubes, monkey noodles, fidget tangles, Rubik's cubes. I'm gonna draw all of those stuff today. I can have. So these are all the fidgets I drew. This is a poppet. This is a fidget spinner. This is like a mini poppet, and these are like these monkey noodles. And this is just a regular Rubik's cube. And this is like those fidget tangles. And this one, I was trying to make a wristband as a poppet wristband. And this is a pop tube, like these little stretchy thingies that stretch, and then you can put them back together. And this is I decided to make some pattern and difference between the fidget spinners. So that's how I came up with this diamond fidget spinner, which is the same as this one, except the shape. And this is a simple dimple keychain. This is a regular simple dimple, and this is an infinity cube. Well, that's all for today. I'll see you on my next video next week. Thank you, and thank you for watching. Bye!